god, what is going on, you beautiful people? Guess what? Today we got a beautiful package from Iflight. Now, I've been flying these DJI Mavic drones for about 6 years, since DJI Phantom 1. Actually no, Phantom 2, so it's been 6-7 years now. And I thought, why don't we get into FPV? Now, the thing is, FPV is very hard to get into apparently, and DJI made it better. But then, after a bit of research and looking into the situation, what happens if you crash? Can you repair it yourself? What does it cost? All the DJI Care stuff and everything that I've looked into, it seems like a pre-built drone from Iflight might be a better solution, because if you crash these, which is designed to be crashed, FPV, you can't not crash them. You can easily repair them, and it's not going to cost you a lot, and it's going to be, it's going to be easy to repair. Let's have a look at this. I ordered the DJI FPV goggles and the DJI remote controller. A couple extra batteries. The batteries are on the way separately because I ordered like 7 of them, and some extra side repair stuff, basically these side plates, and some ND filters and some extra propellers and things like that. I got another battery there and another battery here. This is it. So we need to connect them up to the computer, and I'm not going to go through all that because I really just wanted to document my experience of switching from these DJI easy to fly drones to more FPV style drones that are designed to be going fast and crazy. This looks pretty cool. It looks very interesting. It looks beautiful actually. I think it's this is going to be so fun. Nervous to fly, but let's get it all set up and we'll go for a flight. Guess what? We got another drone, a second one. Now this one is a Cinewhoop, so it must be easier to fly, I would say, and also it's got prop guards, so basically you're not gonna crash into people or trees and just damage everything. So yeah, let's open this one up as well. Oh well, here we go. Let's open the box. Look at this beauty. That looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. So we got the drone. Put the battery up here. I got some extra props as well, because most important thing is keep your props. So I got extra prop guard as well, just in case I crash it and I damage everything crazy. And then you get some extra battery grips and extra tools and USBs and some stickers and some more props and a little cute keychain. I like this. I'm gonna use this. All right, let's. I think we're gonna start with flying with this drone first. That's a good idea. I'm gonna start with this drone first, and we'll go from there. Wow. Yeah, look at this. Woo, yeah. Trying to set things up for my first flight. So this is all ready. I'm gonna go with the Protect 35 first. So this is literally the smallest one with the with the protectors, with the propellers, in case something happens, I guess, and I crash. This is the first flight, so it's gonna be interesting. I definitely don't want to crash, but I'm keen to get it started and go for a flight. Let's do that. Let's do that. All right. Whoa. Okay. This is insane. This is insane. This is too sensitive. I can't even. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy shit. Holy. This is insane. And this is actually scary. I need to. Fuck. I'm so nervous right now. Why is this so sensitive? I'm shaking. Holy sh- it was, whoa, that was scary. How is this? I just moved I almost crashed a few times into the trees. I just took it up and it just went nuts. What? Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Holy Jesus. This is insane. How is what? This is a weapon. All right, let's go pick up the drone. It's just right here. Okay. Holy Jesus. It's all looking good. There's no damages or anything, which is, I didn't even crash it, so that's, thank God. I did land it over here. Holy moly. That was scary. For a second I was like, took off my goggles. I'm thinking, is it easier for me to see it and then fly it? But it's not. It's not. It's definitely not. This is very... I'm gonna take off again. Oh, Jesus. All right, let's do this. Let's do this again. Let's do this again. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. This is nerve-wracking because there's people around too. I guess I shouldn't be flying this where there's people, but what? That was irresistible. Okay, let's try again. Oh, Jesus. Okay, here we go. I'm just trying to hold. Yeah, this is insane. I can't. Whoa. Now this is cool. Is that me sitting there? Yeah, I'm scared to fly. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna go to another place and fly it again. I'm gonna charge the other battery again so we can actually have a second flight again. But this is a lot more powerful than I thought. It's just insane. Like, it's just insane. Definitely need more practice in a simulator. So I'm gonna do that, and then also just I'm not gonna be trying any interesting shots anytime soon. It's gonna be at least like a couple of months, maybe a month. We'll see. Let's yeah, let's go to a different place, fly some more. But I think it's gonna be quite boring for you guys. So I guess the gist of it is, you know, stay with me. We're gonna get used to flying FPV, and you know, it's been in fact, I should turn the drone off right now. Give me one sec. So yeah, basically all ready to go. If it's your first time, make sure you fly in a simulator a lot. And then when you get out first time, yeah, just don't be like me. You know, I guess it's a dog park here, and people are about during this time. But I need to like wake up early, go somewhere that is nobody, and just film that way. Super exciting. It was the power, like the first time, that was, whew, I almost crashed because I really panicked. I took off my goggles and I didn't even see where I'm going, and just I guess, you know, it's good that I filmed everything so you can see my mistakes, and hopefully you don't make these mistakes. But yeah, it's amazing. So just I guess hope you enjoy this video. I'm so nervous. I'm still shaking. I'm going to be flying a lot. Guys, just subscribe if you haven't. And I'm going to get a lot of practice done. I'm not going to be uploading my practice runs that much. So hopefully I become a pro really quick, and I can fly properly.